All right, so Keith, I noticed earlier on the control panel I saw a low battery indicator. Is that for the control panel or the POLD or some other part of the system?
Right, good question, Gary. Our point-of-leak devices can be either battery powered or wall powered.
Okay.
So in this case, if we have batteries in here and they reach a low battery condition, this will beep.
Popped up.
You'll get the indicator here on the low battery, and it'll tell you which POLD device has got the low battery condition.
It's got device number 1, and you identified that earlier as number 1.
Correct,
Okay.
yeah. And so once you replace it with good batteries, you clear the battery notification on it, and the light will go out, and you're back in business.
So what's the recommendation from Sentinel if you actually have an alarm? You know, are they supposed to replace those, same time as your smoke detectors a couple times a year, or how does that work?
No, these last about 2 years.
Okay.
So if you have a lot of alarms, if you put this in a bathroom and the maid's always coming in and cleaning the restroom and getting the thing wet, and you don't clear it off for a while, then
Eats away at the battery.
it'll eat away at the battery, and you may want to replace it maybe every 6 months in that case.
Okay.
But it'll give you the indication on the low battery, so you really have no worry involved with it.
All right. So up to 2 years, but change it as necessary if it's getting a lot of activity, and it's going to tell you exactly where on the control panel.
Absolutely.
All right.